Welcome to Helpful Solution. In this video, we will discuss simple step to troubleshoot its Samsung monitor not turning on. Let's dive in. The first step you have to follow, check power connections. For this purpose, you have to ensure the power cord is clearly connected to both the monitor and a working power outlet. Test the outlet by plugging in another device to confirm it's supplying power. Inspect the power cord for visible damage, replace if necessary. Confirm monitor power status. Locate and press the monitor's power button, typically on the front, bottom, or side panel. Observe the LED indicator light on the monitor. Solid light, the monitor is receiving power. No light, there may be a power supply issue. Inspect video connections. Verify that the HDMI display or VGA cables are firmly connected to both the monitor and the computer. Check for damage such as bent or broken pins on the connectors. Test the monitor with a different video cable to rule out cable defects. Test with another device. For this purpose, you have to connect the monitor to another device such as laptop, console, or PC. If the monitor works with another device, the issue may be with the original computer's hardware or settings. Perform a monitor self-test. Access the monitor menu and navigate to Support, open Self-Diagnosis, and then open Picture Test. If the picture displays correctly, the monitor is functioning and the issue may be with the connected device or cables. Reset the monitor. If accessible, use the monitor's menu to select factory reset or default settings. This step can fix issue caused by incorrect configuration. Inspect for physical damage. Look for cracks, loose components, or damaged parts. If you find physical damage, it may require professional repair. Contact Samsung Support. Visit Samsung Support website or call their support hotline. Provide details about the problem and the troubleshooting steps you have attempted. Inquire about repair or warranty options if applicable. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.